Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how I make this mouth-watering meat pie, and if you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. Yeah. So to begin, I have my 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, combine together. At this stage, I will be adding my butter, and I'm using 150 grams of butter. You can also use margarine if you like, yeah, and give it a quick mix. After mixing, I will add my egg. I'm using 1 egg for this recipe, yeah. So guys, at this stage, I will make sure I mix very well, yeah, until it is well combined. Next, I will go ahead and add a half cup of milk, fresh milk, and a little amount of water. I will advise, if you are using fresh milk or water, anyone you are using for your recipe, I will advise you add little by little until you get the dough you need. Okay guys, so that your dough doesn't get messed up, yeah. So continue watching. So guys, at this stage, this is what the dough looks like. So I'm gonna allow the dough to rest. I will wrap it and leave it in a room temperature for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so for the meat pie filling, I have my sliced onions, my sliced carrots and potatoes. Yes, next is to start by frying it, and I will add a little amount of oil on a fire. Add my sliced onions. So I will allow the onions to fry for 1 minute. So next, as the onions is frying, I'm gonna be adding the mixed beef. You can also use chicken or any meat of your choice. Yes guys. So guys, as the meat is frying, next is to add in the thyme, yeah. Guys, the reason the meat is hard like this is because I removed it out from the freezer. Yes guys. So at this stage, I will be adding my ginger, and you can also use dry one. For this recipe, I'm using fresh one, so you can use any one of it, is okay. Next is to add my chili powder and my black pepper. Yes. Next is to add my Maggi seasoning, and for the Maggi seasonings, I'm using chicken browned and cow browned. Okay guys. Next is to give it a quick mix and stir the meat until it is no longer pink, yeah. So next is to add in my sliced potatoes and carrots and stir everything together. After I make sure it is well combined, next is to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, next is to give it a quick mix. After mixing, I will add a little amount of water and allow it to cook on a low heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Yes. So guys, at this stage our meat pie filling is ready. You can see how nicely cooked is looking, so yummy. So I will step it aside. At this stage it is 25 minutes later and here is the dough. Yeah. Stage I will be dividing the dough, and before then make sure you sprinkle some amount of all-purpose flour on the floor where you are nailing the dough, then roll it out as you can see. So I will be using a plate to cut out the dough. You can use any round cutter to make any shape of your choice. Yeah. So I will be adding a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half to the meat pie filling inside the dough. Then I will go ahead and seal it. But first I will be using my hand. After then I will use fork to make sure it is well sealed. Yeah. So guys, I will go ahead and repeat the same process. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much for always tuning in. Okay guys, continue watching. Right now I'm done with the dough. I'm going to brush the meat pie with egg washed. It will make it to be brown and shining. Okay guys, continue watching. So guys, at this stage I will poke the meat pie with a fork. Yeah, and please take note, don't forget to grease your meat pie pan with some butter or margarine. Yeah, next I will bake for 25 minutes on a preheated oven. So my wonderful people, the meat pie is ready and you can see how nicely baked it's looking. Yeah, so we are going to be checking the meat pie and see how it looks. Wow, this is mouth-watering. Okay, my wonderful people, see you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye, ciao.